And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, there's kind of a lot of junk on this map, right? And we've got arrows, we got text on here, but I can kind of break this down and show you why it's not raining here right now, why our totals will be held down a little bit, and when we'll get some more soaking rain in here when the cold comes in. So right now, we've got three systems developing down here. One's a subtropical storm that's dumped up to 8 inches of rain in Florida in 24 hours. And we've had gusts up to 61 miles an hour near Key Largo and a gust of 56 at Fort Myers. A little upper low in the Gulf of Mexico. And there's a developing tropical storm and eventual hurricane that'll hit Cuba and move up this way. So this storm's going to move this way. This one goes that way, and the upper low kind of wobbles this way as well. So the water in the eastern U.S. is down here in Florida and the southeast. The water in the west is out here in southern Cal with deep tropical moisture from Hawaii streaming northward into southern California. So between those two, that's where the water is, and in between it is just dry and it's warm. It's split flow. This is your polar jet keeping the cold air up here. The green is the subtropical jet that carries the tropical moisture. And like I always say, when those two phase, you get your bigger storm systems, especially in winter. It's a 37-degree low tonight. You see where we're headed midnight and onward here. 33 to 39 looks good for low temperatures. And tomorrow, the 64 to 70 looks good. No reason to alter that high. All the data agrees. We got a 68. Some increasing high mid-level clouds in the afternoon on what's going to be a breezy to windy day with elevated brush and field fire danger. And there you see the nice warm weather tomorrow afternoon. Friday's a changing day. Mild in the morning, not bad, but windy, kind of wet, and then it gets much colder. Look at the wind chill at 3. It's 40. It feels like 34 at 5 with some partial clearing developing on what's going to be a windy day with falling temperatures in the afternoon. These highs will be in the morning to about midday, then we fall into the 40s. There are the high-thin cirrus clouds. It'll give us a beautiful sunrise in the morning. And here are the clouds coming in from the southwest tomorrow. Late afternoon through evening, we become overcast tomorrow night where we moisten up this dry air slowly. A few showers, 3, 4 in the morning. There's a band of showers Friday morning, 6, 7, 8. Here we are by 11. There's the front right there. Still some showers behind it that linger a little bit longer. And then note the clock here by 3, 4, 5. We're starting to get a little bit of clearing, and it's a cold one for Saturday morning. We're in the 20s to about 30, but Saturday afternoon doesn't look bad. Highs 40s to low 50s. Rainfall wise, I agree with this. This looks good. This is 1/10 to about 1/3 of an inch of rain. These numbers will be common area wide. The bigger rains don't come in here until early next week when the deep Pacific moisture comes in and we finally start to pull some moisture from the Gulf. So look here, this is Tuesday morning, widespread rain in the area. The rain moves away and then that Clipper system dives in. That could bring some rain, then snow showers a couple of days after Thanksgiving. And it wouldn't surprise me if we get a dusting out of that the way it looks right now, though the better chance of higher totals will be northwest of our area. 58 then falling Friday. There's the decent weekend, the rain early next week. Then it gets colder and yes, some snow showers a week from this Saturday.